everybody, how's it going? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Today, Sport Track Adrenalin. Check this out. 400 real horsepower, that's something you would not expect out of a truck like this. This is called our Stryker Supercharger package. The foundation is a Rwhp TVS 2.3 liter supercharger. I'll put a link in the description. It's going to offer more details on this, but it's available for Explorer, Mountaineer, the Sport Track Adrenalin. Awesome, awesome kit. I really wish these had this on it from the factory because it makes really good power and it drives awesome. But hey, we offer the conversion. If you want something like this installed, you can email quote@brenspeed.com or leave a comment. I'm happy to answer your questions. Please subscribe. That's going to stay up to date. Thanks for watching.